Hey guys, what is up? It's Melanie, and today, surprise, we are doing another haul. 2 piles of clothes here, and I have bags down here. I have a lot to show you, so we're gonna get straight into it. Okay, so a lot of this stuff is thrifted. If it's thrifted, I'm trying to tell you like where the brand is also in case you want to find something similar. This is from Via Europa. I think this sweater is absolutely adorable. Unfortunately, it's not really sweater season, except it kind of is because in Washington you can wear sweater in the summer, or like right now I can because it's still not even 60. Don't know what's up with that. Anyways, cute little plaid sweater, very light neutrals. Will be great for layering and stuff. And this one was actually from Goodwill Bins, which is kind of great. I don't know, I feel like when you find something from Goodwill Bins, it's like an extra find. Like, you know how you find something from the thrift store and it's already like pat on the back, then when it's from Goodwill Bins you're like double triple pat on the back, because I had to dig for this baddie. But that's probably my favorite find from my trip to the bins. I also got these 2 little shrugs. I'm trying to decide if I like this. Apparently I do because I bought 2 of them and I keep seeing them everywhere. I feel like they've been present at thrift stores for a very long time. Maybe they didn't catch my eye, maybe I just decided like that wasn't my thing back then, but I'm deciding it's my thing now. I think these will look adorable over like tank tops, tube tops, or little dresses if you just want to cover your shoulders, or if you want a cardigan but maybe it's too hot for an actual cardigan. They're just like these cropped little mini vest things. A lot of them are really cute, like knits. Like this one's kind of like a unique fun knit. It kind of reminds me of stuff that I would wear in like elementary school, but we love that. This one is from Mango, which is actually kind of surprising. It had this really wonky like giant tooth thing that like made it connect in the front, and I cut that thing off, but I think this is really adorable. And then I also got a black one. This one is from Arizona. That's JC Bunny? I'm not sure, but this one's kind of like a daintier knit, I suppose, and I feel like black one you can definitely wear in a lot of ways, but I need to figure out how to style these soon because I've had them in a pile for a while. I keep stuff in a pile until I film a haul, so on these things I'm like, I'll worry about styling them later. I got this tank top. This one was from a regular thrift store. Those 2 were from the bins, but this one I think is so adorable. It very much reminds me of just like summer camp and summer. I think it's very cute and dainty. It just has like this little floral ribbon-ish thing, I don't know, detailing, and then it has kind of like polka dot. I just think this will be cute in a lot of different ways. I also got this. This is actually from Princess Polly, but I got it at the bins, and it's actually a size 12, but it fits me really well. This little jumper thing, maybe it's supposed to be tight fitting, I don't know, but it's kind of linen-y. I have a romper similar but like tank top, but I really enjoy this like whole super loose jumpsuit linen romper thing going on because it's comfy, it's cute, and I'm just here for it. This one also has pockets, which is amazing. We love pockets. This is just a plain black top, and I cropped it a little bit. I just thought the material of it was very good quality and very thick. It is Liz Claiborne, and I like a lot of this brand stuff, and I found it like keeps well in my closet for basic. It kind of has this, not, I don't know what this is called, like trim-ish. That's really simple too, but I just think this is a really good basic because I have a black tee, but she's not doing well, so I'm probably just gonna replace that. And then going along with that whole overall baggy style thing, I also got this one, which I think this is Target brand, yeah, Universal Threads, and I don't know, like it looks very oversized and like you can't tell what it is. Like it looks like it could be a painter's like smock thing, but she has pockets. Does she have pockets? Maybe she doesn't. It does have pockets. It's very loose, like you lose your figure in it, but I don't know, sometimes you want to lose your figure if you're just feeling comfy. If you don't want to wear a dress, you can just throw this thing on, but it's still very flowy. I love the flowy, love it, and I love the color. I don't know exactly how to style this without looking like I was just swallowed by a lot of fabric, but that's also something I will figure out later. This one is just an Adidas very plain top. It kind of has like thicker straps, and then I don't know, I like this back. You know, it's a very minor detail, but this little stitching, I think it makes it look very nice and athletic, and it's pretty and purple. I also got that same one in black, so it's the exact same thing. I figured these are nice because they're very simple. You can wear them out, but you could also wear them for sports and working out because we do that, you know. I also got this. I think this is Target also. Wild Fable. Love Wild Fable. It's just like a very oversized little sweater vest, but it's kind of like a very thin one, which I like, and I think it's good for the summer if you want to layer still, but you don't want to be super, super hot. And I also like that it's oversized, but it's still kind of cropped. It is whoa, it's an extra, extra large. Maybe it's not supposed to be cropped, but I like how it looks. This size, this fitting. I also got these jeans. These are Zara Jeans, and I have no clue what they are. Oh, actually, I can tell you. Actually, can I? Let's see. Oh, maybe not. They're a size 4. This was right after my whole left my jeans in London thing, so I was going crazy buying pants. These have actually been some of my most worn jeans recently. They're just very nice and straight leg. They have a nice little like distressing. I love getting thrifted jeans because they're already worn in and comfy, you know, obviously so much cheaper. These are my like little distressed pair. They're still a little oversized on me, which I really like because we know your girl does not like the skinny jeans. I also got these pants right after that whole trauma situation where I lost all my pants, but these ones are Dickies pants, and they were in the boys section. You saw my last haul. I went on a little spiel about how I love me some little boy jeans because they have this thing, genius. Cheaper, genius. This one also has like a pocket on the side. They're kind of like utility-ish, but kind of like a cleaner look. I really, really like, and they're just in good condition. They're pretty simple, and then I like how the front has one of these hook things, so you don't see like a button or anything. They're just straight leg, and they have these kind of faint like panels on the front. I'm assuming that's for if you're being practical and you're like kneeling. It's like knee coverage, which I don't really need, but I like the aesthetic of it. So these actually fit me really perfectly, and I think they're a kid's 14 maybe? I don't know what a 9 is. I'm not a size 9. I don't know, maybe Dickies is wonky. Okay, lastly, I unfortunately did buy some stuff from Brandy Melville. Yeah, I did do that. I did. Let's just go through it. I got this. I remade this, and I liked it so much that I wanted one because I've been wearing my one that I made a lot. That's like bigger and thicker and stuff. So I got the little color block thing. I don't know why, like, why does this call to me? It's the most basic thing ever, but I don't know. Okay, I was in a mood. I wanted a hoodie. Sometimes the only thing that can cure you is buying a hoodie. I don't know if that's true. Anyways, I love their baseball baby tees. I love them so much. They fit so nice. They're so comfy. I wear them all the time. I wear them to bed. I wear them out. I unfortunately do have 2 other baseball baby tees, but we're not going to talk about that. Not regretting it. Not regretting it. I also got this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it because it literally tricked me, guys. I thought it was the same as the crew neck I'm wearing right now, which has pockets, which is literally like brings me so much joy. Like, I am a pockets fiend. I love it when there are pockets, especially in things that like you don't necessarily think would have pockets, like a crew neck, a dress. Like, it's amazing. Where are the pockets on this one?
Like, why?
I thought, like, how was I supposed to know? Do they have names or something? I don't know. But it's green. I still like it. It's a plain crew neck. I mean, like, it's good. Where are the pockets? Where are the pockets? Okay, I rebought these shorts. I had these shorts and I left them in London. And I had another pair and I left them in London too. And it broke my heart because I love, there's like certain colors that I really like at Brandy, and I buy it in a bunch of stuff, and then it makes like matching sets and stuff. Like, I have a lot of these dark green tops, and I loved wearing it with the shorts because then it's just like so uniform, so cute. And I was like, I love them. I really love them. I wore them so much. I was But yeah, I know I'll wear these a lot. They're kind of like the softy looking shorts. I love these for pajamas, but I wear them out like a lot, and it's fine. You look put together kind of sometimes if you wear like a matching set, or if you don't, you still look cute. And then the last thing is the zip up hoodie. I think they have 2 different types of this, where one is like thicker and one's like a little softer and thinner, and I got the thicker one this time because I like how it looks with the brown. It reminds me of like Washington and trees. I got the thicker one because I feel like it's the perfect heaviness and thickness for like your full jacket when you're in California, which I really like because I don't know, that I don't have to bring my puffer and feel stupid. I also think it's really good for the chillier summer nights because it's still, you know, very casual. It's like I'm just a zip up hoodie, but these things are pretty warm, so I actually really like this. Okay, on to Target. I went a little ham in the kids section because I don't know, sometimes I see the stuff there and I'm just blown away because it's so affordable, soft, good quality. I don't know, more people shop in the kids section because their kids section kind of pops off like a lot. I'm not even gonna lie, you will see. First off, I bought, I did do this. I got a bunch of these why do I call them jersey? I don't know what they are. These shorts, but they're like longer cut shorts, kind of like the Softy one that I just showed you from Brandy, but they're like soft inside. The Brandy ones are kind of just like cottony, which I still like, but these ones are softer. They're like, you know, fuzzy and stuff. And then they're kind of like longer. I don't know. I feel like that's been in. Right, these are only 12 bucks, and they were also on sale for some reason for $9, which is fabulous. They have pockets. They kind of have like a clean raw cut, and then they have these little like slits on the side, which is like a subtle thing. But I had it in a ton of colors, and they also had like matching sets. So they had like crop necks to go with it, which I didn't get because I have way too many, but I did get these shorts in pink, the white ones obviously, and then I also got it in this really pretty green. Oh, sucker for this green. And I got them in an extra large, 14-16. Kind of like slouchy, comfy. I think same as what I said for the Brandy ones. They like are perfect for sleeping in pajamas, but you can also definitely wear these out. You could also work out in them. So efficient. And then I got 3 dresses from their kids section too, all the colors. These were so affordable. They're only $15. If you just get an extra large, extra large, it's literally the same as like an extra small in women. They were so cute and such good quality. They're such good summer colorful dresses too. This is the first one. It has cute ruffly little sleeve things going on here, and then little buttons down the front. I really like these dresses that haven't been cinching like necessarily at the waist. The little baby dollish ones, I think they're so cute for the summer, and I really like the material of this. And it also has pockets. I don't know if I'll use the pockets. I also don't know if I look good in orange. I don't know if we'll see, but I thought this was so adorable. I got this one, which is also once again flowy, comfy. This material, so nice. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of the same shade as those shorts I got, but I really like this like jade-ish color, and it has little bow ties for the straps. I just think it's so cute. It is so cute. It's kind of tiered, kind of Jada dress-y, but like a little bit more, I don't want to say modern, but like a little different. And then this last one is also, once again, so soft. Once again, it has those fun little sleeves, which I really love. And then it's also kind of tiered. This one kind of has like cinching at the top, and then it has like a ruffle at the bottom, but it's so simple and cute. And I think they had this in other colors, and I really wanted it in other colors, but they only had my size in yellow, so I got it in yellow. Little ray of sunshine. I think it's adorable. And then the last thing I got was from Aritzia. Oh wait, shoot. Okay, wait. I also got this from Brandy. I don't know why it's in my Aritzia bag, but it's just their ribbed tank top. Yay, ribbed tank top. I think I put that in there actually because from Aritzia I got a ribbed tank top also, and then after I went to Brandy and I was like, shoot, I should have just gotten it from Brandy, right? But I actually really do like the Aritzia one that I got. It's from TNA, and I feel like TNA like is kind of reasonable priced, and like Aritzia for certain basics I do like. I don't shop there that much. I wanted to get more into it, but now I'm kind of worried because Aritzia be expensive. But this is just the perfect like ribbed crop tank top, and I love it, and I wear it like 3 times a week, literally. This is probably the most worn thing. I wore a different version of this before, but it was like worn out because I wore it so much. But anyways, that's it, and that is such a lovely note to finish off on. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, this little haul. If you guys want to see how I style a lot of these things, check out my Instagram. I post like daily outfits on there. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more outfits, shopping, clothes related videos, make sure to let me know in the comments. But thank you guys so much. I hope you're doing well and having a very happy summer, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily. Really weird to like wake up and start filming because I haven't talked to anyone today at all yet, and I don't even know if my voice works. It's probably gonna break down. Oh my gosh.